Namaste. Welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr. Renita D'Souza. Today let us learn about an Ayurvedic wound healing medicine, Vranaropana Tailam. Vrana means wound and Ropana is healing. The word Vranaropana means wound healing and hence Vranaropana Taila is mainly used to heal the wound quickly. This oil cleanses the wound and prevents infection and pus formation. Usage of Vranaropana Taila. It is used externally over the affected area. Dip a clean piece of cloth in it and spread it over the wound, or insert a wick in the case of tubular or deep wounds. To wash the wound, you can use water boiled with neem leaves, turmeric or Triphala Kashaya. This oil is used for Shirodhara treatment also. Classical ingredients of Vranaropana Taila: Madhuchista, that is bee wax. It is used as paste for the oil. Base oil is sesame oil or coconut oil. Snuhi Kshira, that is latex of Snuhi plant. And Arka Kshira, that is latex of Arka plant. So its shloka says, Mahavriksha Arkaje Dugde Madhuchishtena Sadhitam Tailam Samkrit Prayogena Dushtavrana Viropanam. Some manufacturers also use below ingredients like coconut oil, durva, jati, licorice, karavi, that is keram kavi. So its reference is taken from Sahasra Yoga, Taila Yoga Prakarana. Side effects of Vranaropana Taila. There are no side effects with this medicine on external application. This product is not indicated for oral intake. It is manufactured by Aryavaidishala, Kottakkal. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.